Hi, passive income refers to an income where you do not need to be actively involved. In this video, we are going to discuss 9 such passive income ideas along with its associated challenges and requirements so you can see whether it's doable for you during your 9 to 5 job. There is nothing called a bad idea. All ideas are good. The main thing is how feasible it is for you to do that. So at the end of this video, you should be able to identify what passive income ideas you can implement for you and you can make your living through doing some passive income. First idea that we are going to talk is about investing in the real estate. It is probably one of the oldest school of thought for having some passive income stream. People buy properties to get the capital gains, or they buy the properties for renting them out. Both ideas are good, but it all depends on your choice of the land, time of the purchase, and the purpose of property investment. So you can get good capital gains if you buy in the cheap season, or you can get a good monthly income if you rent out your properties. But associated challenges are having sufficient funds to buy the properties or managing the tenants, which itself is a big challenge. So these are the associated challenges for investing in the real properties. Creating content for social media is the second famous passive income idea. It is by far most famous, doable, and worthy to try for this passive income idea. There are famous platforms which provide you an option to create your content and put it there, and when people use your content, you get paid out of it. These famous platforms include YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. But the challenge associated with these platforms is that people like unique ideas. So you have to be very, very unique in your proposition, consistent and dynamic. So you have to change your strategies, you have to be very consistent. So if you are willing to do that, you can definitely get a good amount of the money from this. There are many social media stars who are sharing their success journeys along with their revenue. For example, Miss Nisha and Ali Abdal, they are doing amazing jobs and they have shared all their stories from the day one to till today, wherever they are. So it gives you a lot of encouragement to see them, and you get a lot of motivation. Although also they have some courses for the beginners, and you can definitely learn from them and you can follow their footprints. So it's one of the very good idea. Third passive income idea is about building digital products. If you are expert and knowledgeable in some field, so you can share your knowledge with people and get paid out of it. When you work in a field for 10 to 15 years, you get tons of information related to that field. You get ins and outs, everything about that field. So what you can do is you can record that all information in a nicely recorded format, and you can prepare some online course or some training program which you can share with your users. There are famous platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, so you can record all your program and you can share with the users. One such example is Mr. Lukas Salim, who started with a small training program, and over a period of time he has got few 100,000 students. It's the same training program which he keeps on updating, so it's an amazing passive income stream that has been generated for him. Another example is when I got certified in Tableau. I created the practice exam and created a website, www.gettableaucertifications.com. So when I created it, I started my passive income journey, and from that time it's still live and it is giving me a few $100 every month. So it's a way that how you can utilize your knowledge and you can share with the people. In this way they will get benefit and you will get paid out of it. This type of investment is one of the reliable passive income stream, but it depends on how much you are investing, where you are investing, and for how long you are investing in either fixed deposits or the stocks. Fixed deposits are a guaranteed return on investment, but it's fairly less as compared to the return on investment on the stocks. On the other side, the challenge associated with investment in the stocks is the time of the investment, product on which you are investing, and the companies which you are dealing with or the broker through which you are going to invest. So all these are associated challenges associated with the stock. So you have to be very careful while investing either in the fixed deposit or returning or investing in the stocks. So you should take your decision wisely. There are a lot of stock brokers and financial analysts available on the YouTube and the different platforms which gives you insider information. So you should be very careful while investing in the stocks and taking any prudent decision. As I mentioned, the challenge associated with this income stream is availability of the funds and resources, and the right time, right product, right investor or the broker to provide you the insider information. Next passive income idea is investment in the index funds. The difference between investment in the stocks compared with the index fund is that in the stocks you are investing your funds in a particular company, but whereas in the index fund your funds are invested in several companies and your yield depends on the performance on overall companies. All you need to do is to find a right broker for you. For example, there are some famous brokers like Webull, Freetrade or Vanguard. Similarly, you can find out whatever broker is available near to your place or in your country. So you need to talk them and get more details how to invest in the index fund, so they will be readily available and help you in making the right investment for you. Usually what these brokers do, they take your funds and they start investing with a small percentages in different companies. For example, they can invest 2% in Google, 3% in YouTube, 4% in Facebook, and likewise in the different Fortune 500 companies. So your yield depends on the performance on overall all companies. So the chance of losing your money is very less, whereas the chance of getting good yield is more. So this is a very safe and good way of having passive income. Another good way to earn passive income is through affiliate marketing. It is one of the famous way of getting passive income. Affiliate marketing means that you are promoting someone else's products or services. So once his product or services are sold through you, so he gives you a certain portion of the sales in form of the commission. Affiliate marketing is by far the most easiest way of having passive income, but the associated challenge in this that you should have a good internet traffic or the users influence or the traffic that can understand you, that can get an influence from you and they buy the products. So you have to have some social or web media existence in order to convince your users. As Nisha has mentioned in one of her video that she made $19,000 through his passive income stream, and it includes affiliate marketing, but it took her over a period of 1 year to make this traffic or the user base in order to reach to this position. So the associated challenge is that you should have a social media existence and a user base where you can promote the products. So in conclusion, based on my understanding, every passive income idea is good. It all depends on your environmental factors, your strength, your weaknesses, your opportunities, whatever is available to you. So you have to evaluate yourself and start any of the passive income idea that suits you. Thank you very much for watching my video. In case you are new to my channel, I am Syed Farhan Ashraf based in Dubai, and I record videos on personal growth, making online money, and how to start your journey in doing some passive income streams. If any of the ideas mentioned in this video resonated with you, so please help me to understand by writing some comments and suggestions, and let me know how we can improve this channel and what value you want me to record further.